It's preparing. It's thinking.
Let it think too much.
I, I think we're recording now. So, hello everyone. I'm Katrina Sawa, the Jumpstart Your Biz coach with jumpstartyourbiznow.com, jumpstartpublishing.net, and the Business Reimagined Conference, which is why we're here today. And I want to introduce you should already know, Miss Jill Lublin, because she's everywhere, right? Publicity expert, author, speaker. She is one of our speakers for the Business Reimagined Conference happening this coming January. And I just wanted to introduce her because I think she's amazing. And we've been friends for, I don't know, 20 years or something like that. So tell them a little bit about yourself, Jill, if they don't already know.
Thank you, Katrina. I'm super excited to be at your conference and to help all of you with publicity. That's my jam. I love it. I'm the author of 4 books, including Guerrilla Publicity. And I am a media magnet and help you magnetize yourself so that people are attracted to you, want to do business with you using publicity as a cool and fabulous primary marketing strategy. And then I run kindness circles based on my book, The Profit of Kindness. So been doing that too for the last multiple years, actually.
Mhm.
And that's super thing I do also.
So important, bringing kindness back, like not that it ever went away, but some people have gotten really carried away in the world. So it's good to make sure we focus on being kind, sharing love. I'm all about love. You're all about kindness. They go hand in hand. I think it's so important. But publicity, y'all, like if you're not going after publicity, I've taken Jill's masterclass and courses and stuff before, and I've been doing publicity for 20 something years and been on TV multiple times. And I'll tell you, I haven't focused on it in the last, like, I don't know, like 8 years. I need to get back because it's one thing. If you stop doing it, you stop getting it. If you stop going after publicity, you stop getting publicity. So I highly recommend you come in January to listen to what Jill has to say, get some tips on how to get some publicity. It's free. It's free. Like it's the most free marketing you can get. I mean, getting on TV is huge and it's not that hard if you know what to do in your local area for sure. I know you work with people outside their local area too. Tell us a little bit about like the two things. So there's a local publicity and national, international publicity. What's the difference?
Well, here's the good news. Publicity is going to serve you no matter what,
Yes.
whether you're in a podcast, your local TV, your magazines and podcasts and all those great things, right? Here's the reality. Local versus national versus all of it is important.
Yeah.
All of it counts. And publicity elevates your expertise, creates trust in the marketplace, gets people to know your name. And I like to call it the I've heard of you somewhere syndrome,
Yes.
right? And so imagine this, the free business that actually comes to you because it's a one-to-many strategy. And that's why I love it. It enables you to get your message out. And so whether it's local, whether it's national, whether it's international, everything matters and everything counts. The point is to just get some and stop being a best kept secret. And this is one of the things I'm really going to support you with during her conference is, and I'm so excited to see you all live in person, is to really create some specific, what I like to call visibility building activities that's going to support you with getting free publicity to open up your business and get people talking about you.
Yeah. And you can do it regardless if you're new or seasoned in
Right.
business. I mean, it's one of those things that anybody can do. And she can make you look like amaze balls, right? So, and we just were in person together in Boise at a conference just a few days ago, in fact. And so tell them a little bit about why they need to come in person because surely they can see you online, they can watch your webinars, they can come to your online classes, but why in person and why is it so important to come in person these days? I know my reasons. What are yours?
Wow. Well, I think there is a magic that occurs when you're with people. There's that connection. There's that opportunity to ask me very specific questions right there, right then, that don't have to wait for anything else. And that's valuable right there in and of itself. You've got amazing experts who are going to be at this conference. I know them. They're amazing. And of course, Katrina is the consummate host and brilliant at what she does. Imagine this, you being in a room with all of us, that kind of brain power, that kind of superpowers, that kind of connection. The connections alone, what I've seen at live conferences, the connections alone are going to, in my opinion, multiply you and elevate you in ways that online doesn't quite do, although I love it. And I do it, and I think it's terrific. But now we got an opportunity to be in person, and that's the kind of, I'll call it magic, that occurs.
I think it's so true. And I'm trying to do a lot more in person myself just to grow my own business, and to be nurtured. I need in person connection more than ever, even 22 years into my business. So that's why I put this event on. Last year, we had amazing people there as well. This year, we have 16 speakers, including a couple panels, and it's all different topics to start, grow, and scale your business, from speaking, storytelling, writing books, publicity, all kinds of marketing, website stuff, social media. We even have a finance panel who's going to talk to you about budgeting and money mindset. I mean, it's all the things we need to grow and scale our business today, is going to be at this event, and it'll jumpstart your year. So I don't know why you wouldn't want to come to Northern California, because it's not snowing here. It doesn't snow where we're going to be in the end of January. It might rain, but usually it's actually a very temperament kind of weather. So that's going to be fun. It's 2 days, plus there's a bonus VIP day if you're interested. No pressure, but at least come to the 2 days where you're going to meet Jill. And she said it first, like, you're going to have 2 days with all the speakers, right? So you can literally walk up to their vendor booth every day and ask them stuff. And the people that I bring in will talk to you. They're not going to say, oh, well, buy my program and I'll tell you all about it. Right. So they're like genuinely interested in helping entrepreneurs. So, yeah, any last words that you might have for them to buy their ticket today?
Well, it's like, this is not a wait thing. This is a take action now. And I find that people who take action are successful. And what I know is, Katrina, with who you are and who we all are, we are going to be one successful conference there, helping each other successfully succeed. Oh, that was fun. And the point is that, we need each other, and with each other, all of our ships rise, all of our businesses do better. And that's the connections you're going to have right there at this event.
Right. And by the way, if you're conscious of money, then you're going to save more the earlier you buy your ticket, because the prices will keep going up. Okay. The closer we get. So don't wait till the last minute. Just decide to come and make your travel plans, and it's going to be super easy, and trust that it'll be like the most amazing thing for you to kickstart your year. Again, it's January 28, 29, and 30. Northern California, you fly into Sacramento. It's totally worth flying into. Jill's coming up from the Bay Area. I live in this area, and we're just two of the 16 amazing people you're going to get to hang out with. And we're excited. So go to businessreimaginedconference.com, get your ticket today, and we're going to see you there. Hold on. We're going